Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset picture settings on JVC Smart TV. On this TV, we can reset the picture settings for a specific input, and to do that, we first gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the side of our TV to go to Settings Styles. Here, we're gonna have to go to Display and Audio. Then in this menu, select Picture Settings and select your input. So select the input for which you want to reset picture settings. Then navigate to the bottom of the picture settings list, and there you'll be able to see picture reset option. Just click on it and the picture settings will be reset to default. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.